Alright, so today we got an iPad 7th generation, and that's what it does. So I got this screen right here. It's pretty nasty. I don't know if it even works because I got it from a one that I ordered. I paid $23 for it, and it came, and I guess somebody had taken it apart. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to take this digitizer off, and then I can't even power it off. I done powered it on and I can't power it back off. I'm gonna try to take the digitizer off, and I'm assuming the digitizer must be bad too, because I mean I should be able to. I don't know, but we're gonna try to take it off without damaging it, and then we're gonna check that other screen to see if that other screen even works. I ordered one just in case, but I don't know. So we're gonna try to. So right here, you can see it's bent right there. So we're gonna try to get it off from this side. So we're gonna set hot air on 200 degrees, and we are gonna attempt to heat this thing up and get it to come off easily. That's the plan of attack. Now I've never taken one of these off before. I watched somebody do it, and I'm not good at this type of stuff. So yeah, and I don't have any gloves either. I should have thought about that, huh? Anyhow, let's try to get it off. So we've got it kind of lifted up. So what we'll do, so we'll just continue to. Oh, I see. That's a ribbon cable. So we need to pull it from this side. Okay, it's open, y'all. It's open. I think there are 4 screws that hold in the screen. So there's that, right? And lean it up against here like so. I'm gonna have to hold it. So let's take these little teeny screws out right quick. This cable. There we go. Alright, so that screen is definitely bad. Now I don't know if the digitizer is bad or not bad, but what I need to do is I was trying to get the battery out of this other one that was already, like I said, torn apart, and I couldn't figure it out. So I researched how to do it, and apparently the battery connector is actually on the actual circuit card itself. So all you have to do is interrupt the, you just basically have to stick something non-conductive under here to interrupt the circuit like this, so that we can then safely plug in another screen. So again, this one was already disassembled when I received it, so I'm assuming that this is probably a bad screen. So let's try to put the screen in here. All right, that screen is in there. Let's put that screen in there like so, and then let's power it on and see if this screen works at all. No, it does not. So yep, that's all I need. I just need a screen, and I ordered one, but it has not got here yet. So when we get a new screen, we will put the screen in. So we will pick up the video when that arrives. All right, so I got a screen in. And I think it's used probably. I'm not sure. You know what? Let me put on some gloves. Now, hopefully, they want like 50 bucks for one of those, man. All right. So this is going to go like so. So the first thing is going to be to remove the screen and then check to see if that digitizer works. Because it's going to be kind of important before I glue it back down. Let's put that there. And then let's take Alright. I have to interrupt the battery, which means I have to take the battery screw out. Okay. Let's take this. Like so. I think it's clipped on there. So let's flap this over and let's turn it on. I don't know how to test. I don't think I can do it with these gloves, man. Yeah, I think this glass is broken. So I think I'm gonna have to change it. Oh, yeah, I'm not supposed to be touching that. Okay, so let's so we're gonna take this. We know it works, at least. Let's disconnect the battery. And we know that those are clipped down good, but but this glass is not working correctly. So how does this come off? So there's that. So there's that, right? So then this. So then this should come off just like that. So I need to steal this button. Somehow I need to steal that button. And I need to get this tape off of there. Alright, so I think I got all of the old stuff off. And we have, it's bent right here a little bit. And I need to figure out how to straighten that out. And I don't know how to do it. Alright, so I am trying to get this whatever this thing's called. The home button, I guess. I'm trying to get it off. And I don't know how to get it off. And I'm afraid I'm going to tear it up. Okay, so what is this, dude? So that's the button cable. So this must be the is that glued on there or? Dude, I'm gonna end up tearing this up. I'm telling you. I am not the man for these types of jobs. Okay, so that's a little clip thing. So then this should just, I should be able to extract this button. Can I just push it out from the front? This is delicate work, y'all. And I'm not a delicate man. So maybe I should use the old X-Acto knife. Because as I understand it, now I'm not an Apple dude, but as I understand it, if I break this, I can purchase a replacement, but I won't be able to use the fingerprint deal. You know what I'm saying? And bro, who likes to punch a code into a phone nowadays? You know what I'm saying? You know, my son was born 2 months premature, and he was so little, and he was so sickly looking that I didn't want to hold him because I was afraid that I would hurt him. That's kind of how I feel right now with this thing here. Okay, okay. I think we're on to something. All right, how do I get? Bro, get out of the way, dude. Okay, so that's in there. That is in there. So this piece right here is gonna have to go over, but I'm gonna have to glue that to. So I think that I will just I'll do it like that. So I think what I'll do is take some super glue and just drop behind here and behind here, and then hopefully that will hold that in place like it's supposed to, you know? Alright, so I've got some super glue. We are gonna lift up one of these edges. lift up an edge. Man, this takes so long when you're doing it for the first time ever and you're worried that you're going to make a mistake. Alright, so we'll wait for that to dry. Alright, so I think it's dried and I think it's going to hopefully hold. Dude, I'm going to have to do this quite a few times before I get kind of comfortable, because I do not, for whatever reason, man, it's like I'm scared I'm gonna break something. It's so small and fragile. I don't like it. Okay, so let's put our button back in there. I mean, this is even more scary than a Nintendo Switch, you know? Alright, let's, oh, Lord have mercy, bro. And I hate these little clips right here. Bros. Alright, I think that's in there. I think that's in there. Okay. Let's take the screen. Let's take the screen. Alright, I think that's in there. Let's take this out. Let's try to cut it on. Okay, good. Let's fold this over. Oh yeah, that's much different. You know what I think? I think that alright. Okay. So I think it's working. I think it is working. Oh man, I just don't know, y'all. I think this piece is moving when I press the button. I don't know, y'all. Problem is if I put this back together, then I'm gonna have to take it completely back apart too. I don't know. I don't know what to do. Yeah, I don't know what to do. I don't know. I'm just gonna put it back together and call it good, man. Let's do this. It does. Alright, so it's still working. I don't know the best way to do this. So I suppose the best way would be to fold it over and then do this side. But I first have to take that off. And then so and then like this. Like that. What is this? I could not get that bend all the way out. And so there we go, y'all. I'm thinking that's not too bad for my very first time. And the button still works, or it seems to anyhow. I would say I didn't do a bad job. So now the real test is to see if this fingerprint reader thing. Actually, I don't even know if these things have fingerprint reader, but I'm assuming they do. All right, so I've set up the fingerprint deal. So yeah, this thing is fully functional. And just so you know, let's see, how much did I pay for this? I think I paid $40 for the iPad with the broken screen, and then I paid another like $50 for that LCD, and I think I paid like $20, maybe $13 for that, for the digitizer. So all in all, I have this for personal use, so I didn't mind spending a little bit of money on it. You know, I wasn't trying to cheap it out, but yeah, this thing's really nice and it works really well. It's a lot better than a Samsung Galaxy Tab A, let me tell you. So anyhow, man, you guys be good.